Okay, so it says the principal spent 500 to buy a new classroom materials. 40% of the money he spent went towards pencils. How much money did the principal spend on pencils? So my important information is that I know that the principal spent 500 to buy new materials for the classroom, okay? And with that money, the principal, which was 40% of the money, right? He spent for pencils, okay? So we want to know how much money he spent on pencils, okay? So what we got to do here is they're telling us to draw a model. So I'm going to draw my model really quick right here. And I need to understand, if I'm drawing my model, I need to know what is my total amount. So would it make sense that 40% is my total? No, because a total of percents are usually 100. So it can't be that. But I know this should be a part, right? If it can't be a total, then it has to be a part. So that means my 500 has to be a total, okay? So that means this whole thing is worth $500, okay? And if I want 40% of my money, we're gonna see how much of a part that is. So it's gonna be, we can split this up into, let me see. Yeah, we can do 10. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So then this whole thing has to be worth 100%, right? And if I split this up into 10, that means 4 sections of these is going to equal to 40%, because this is 10%, 20%, 30, and 40. So this right here is going to give me my 40%. And I want to figure out how much this is worth, how much money this is. So in order to do that, I need to set up my proportion. Remember, I need to set up my part over my total, okay, over my total. So then I need to set up my proportion, which is, I'm not going to do it like that. I'm going to do it like this. So my proportions, since I'm talking about percents are always out of 100, right? And then using the information that they gave us, we know that we have 500 and we labeled that as a total. Totals go down here. So let's fill up our missing parts. And then our part is going to be 40%. I cannot put 40% right here because this is not talking about percents. I know percents are always out of 100, so I need to put it over here on this side. So I need to write 40. Okay, so now in order to solve this, right, one of the ways what we can do is I need to simplify my fraction. So I'm going to have 40 over 100. And I know both of these numbers are divisible by 10 because they both end in a 0. So I'm going to divide both of these numbers by 10. And then I should get 40 divided by 10 is 4. 100 divided by 10 is 10. Sorry, I'm trying to talk fast, so we have enough time to do all the things we need to do. So then I am going to rewrite this right here out of 500 using my new fraction that I had simplified for. So now one of the ways we can solve this is using cross multiplication, right? I need to figure out two numbers that are across from each other, that both of the numbers are filled out. So this I have to multiply. So I'm going to do 500 times my 4. So 4 times 0 is 0, 4 times 0 is 0, 5 times 4 is 20. So now I'm working with 2,000. But with that 2,000, I need to divide by whatever I have outside of my bubble. So this number is outside of the bubble, the number 10, so that means I need to divide by that. So now I'm going to do 2,000 divided by 10. 10 can go into 20 twice. I subtract, I get 0. Okay, I need to bring down the 0. 10 can go into 0 0 times. I subtract by 0. I need to bring down a 0. 10 can go into 0 0 times, so my answer here should be 200. So $200 is